Hey everyone, Dorian here to give you the latest on what's happening in the NEAR ecosystem. This is NEAR Bytes. Today on the agenda we have a new Road to Mainnet podcast, ETHDenver speaking slot applications, meta transactions roadmap spotlight, details on the conclusion of MetaBUILD 3, and details on the Aurora engine update version 2.8, and finally, NEAR will be coming to grocery stores near you, which will be a lot of fun to talk about. So with that, let's get started. A new series was launched by our very own Nico Pudgy called Road to Mainnet. This new series is where they're inviting developers from rising projects to share advice about building on NEAR. The very first guest was our very own Benjamin Couric, who discusses KeyPalm, which is a company and organization he created. This is an awesome way to get a spotlight on new projects, and if you could take a listen to this podcast, please follow the link in the description below. NEAR will be appearing at ETHDenver again in the coming year. We had so much fun last year, and we'll make a big impact this year, so we're calling on members of our very own community to apply to speak at the upcoming March event. If you're a builder, creator, or member of the NEAR community and want to speak, please apply before January 7th to become a speaker. Get your applications in, guys. NEP 366 for meta transactions has been reviewed by the Protocol Working Group, and you can see the results of the Protocol Working Group's review in the link in the description below. If you don't know, meta transactions are a way to allow for users to engage with a decentralized application without having to pay for transaction fees or only pay for gas fees, which are covered by the owner, the creator, or the founders, or anyone who wants to take coverage or take ownership of those fees on behalf of their users. So they're a really good way to onboard new users into your platform. If you're interested in learning more about meta transactions and learn more about this review process, please check the link in the description below. MetaBUILD 3 has officially come to an end. We had over 3,100 hackers participate, and out of that, 50% of those who have joined created over 1,000 draft submissions. 300 projects were submitted successfully, and we want to say thank you to everyone that participated. Your hard work is very much appreciated. So the project gallery, if you guys want to check it out, is open for everyone to see. Technical reviews of the projects were done today on December 2nd, and project judging will now take place between now and December 15th. We'll keep you guys posted and updated on the winner. Until then, keep an eye out for more details about this hackathon and future hackathons to come. Aurora releases Engine 2.80, bringing enhancements to secure response, reproducibility, and updates to cross-contract calls and more. As of this recording, an ongoing audit is being done with Sigma Prime, including fuzz testing. Throughout this process, they fix issues such as an unfortunate logic regression in BN256 and modular exploitation of pre-compilations and more. If you're interested in seeing the details of this update and the patches deployed, please check out the link in the description below. I'm really excited to see what builders do with this new update. I'm really excited to see what Aurora does in the future. NEAR partners with Grupo Nutresa for customer experience innovations in Web3. Grupo Nutresa is one of the most important food processors for food in South America. With this, Grupo is building one of the first open source loyalty programs on NEAR, with long-term aspirations to reach 1 million users in Colombia and Latin America. This partnership was established with the support of PeerSyst. The loyalty program will enable Grupo Nutresa customers to collect loyalty points without any worry of their points being stolen or denied. These points can be transferred more efficiently leveraging NEAR technology, which will also increase usability and accessibility of the rewards program as a whole. 87% of shoppers report that they want brands to have a loyalty program, and over 70% of consumers are more likely to recommend a brand with a robust loyalty program. I'm very excited to see how this partnership plays out, and I'm really excited to see what grows and comes of it as we move forward into the future. If you would like to learn more, please check out the link in the description below. And with that, that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think of these topics in the comments below. I want to hear your thoughts on everything. With that, guys, I hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. And one more thing, I just posted a new tutorial for Blockheads for BlockVote JS Edition, so go ahead and check that out for me. With that, have a wonderful day.